Say what I forgot the name of the yard. Sanitation Open House, and a DJ playing, and let's go check out the trucks.
Actually a delivery man before I became a tour garbage man. So this was just natural to me. So once I found out that they were hiring, I filled out the application and it just went from there.
Did you like garbage trucks when you were a kid?
Yes, I did. I love garbage trucks because they took all our trash away. And my trash was my problem.
Thank you.
Hey, good job from me.
Pull out?
Pull out. Turn around. Yeah. You always want to make sure your position right in case you know, so you don't lose the balance. There you go. Almost tall as me. Go for it again. Show them how to do it. First, out to the next.
A sticker? This is my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, I'll follow. Thanks.
Thank you.
Great job, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a burger. They have it here, and we're eating. You get a burger, condiments, and fries, and water for free. It's a really good deal. Fun meeting you guys, and all the truck drivers, and the trucks are super fun. Those are definitely my favorite parts. These are also some of the mini bins I got. I got this little mini bin right here. Lid opens like a little keychain. It has both logos on both sides. Same with this side. This side. Really cute, and I loved meeting all you guys, and it was really fun experience. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.